Hi, this is Damien from CAD/CAM Lessons channel, and in this video I will show you a way to make edge selection easier in FreeCAD, such as selecting edges for filleting or chamfering. FreeCAD is a completely free 3D CAD system where you can create your own 3D models, including for 3D printing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new content. And if you'd like to support my work and treat me to a virtual coffee, you can find all the details in the description below. Thank you for your support, and before we go any further, the videos where I show FreeCAD through examples may not cover all of FreeCAD's features in detail, so if you are just starting to learn FreeCAD, I have created a playlist of videos that are a good place to start. The link to the playlist is in the description below the video. Now I'll switch to FreeCAD and show you how to simplify the process of selecting edges. Let's say I want to add chamfers at the outer corners of this solid. To add chamfers at the corners, I just need to select the four corners. We do this while holding down the Control key. As you can see, I have these three corners visible here. To get to the fourth corner, I need to rotate the solid and also select that corner while holding down the Control key. Now we choose the chamfer operation and specify the size of the chamfer. OK, and in this case, to select all corners, I just needed to rotate the solid. But we can make this a bit easier. Just switch to Wireframe view. If you expand the available views here and select the wireframe, the model will be displayed in Wireframe view. Now, with the Control key pressed, you can select the edges where you want to add fillets. Here we don't need to rotate the solid, we just select the edges we want to chamfer or fillet while holding the Control key. In this case, we will add fillets to these edges. You can add fillets in this view, you don't need to switch to the as is view. We add fillets here. OK, and now we can switch to the as is view. This is what it looks like. Wireframe view can significantly simplify selecting geometry for filleting or chamfering. As you saw, I didn't need to rotate the solid. In this view, we can even select those edges that are not visible in the as is view, and we can add chamfers or fillets here. That was a short lesson. In this lesson, I wanted to show you that there is such a thing as a wireframe view. Here we also have other views. You can switch between these views and change them. I most often use the as is view, or in cases where I need to select many edges, I switch to wireframe view. Of course, for selecting single edges where the solid can be quickly rotated, I don't switch to wireframe view, but if there are more edges, choosing wireframe view can greatly ease edge selection. And while I'm at it, I'll mention one more thing. Sometimes when selecting edges for filleting or chamfering, it can be difficult to hit the edge and select it. Here we have a simple shape and it's very easy to select an edge, but if you have a more complex and intricate project, you can switch to edge selection mode before selecting edges for chamfering or filleting. Here we select edge selection and notice that I cannot select faces, I cannot select points, I can only select edges. Choosing the appropriate mode can also facilitate geometry selection. Here I switch back to the option so that all geometries can be selected. In this short lesson, as a curiosity, I wanted to show you wireframe view and selection modes, and we will finish here. Thank you for watching, check out other videos on this channel, and please subscribe to this channel.